Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Fight me!
Chicken, baby!
Piston cup?
Woody!
I'll give you 3.
1, 2, 3. A winner!
Aha, laugh it up. Real fun.
The Honorable Doc Hudson presiding. Show off. May Doc have mercy on.
Bumper to bumper as they approach the finish line. McQueen's the winner. Francesco's second, and they have no.
Hay que ir recto. Ya es suficiente. Y fuera.
Unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
How about some organic fuel?
Freak juice.
Woo! Watching him. Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati, amici!
Get it. I get it. I know what needs to be done.
Then do it!
What? No. Be close.
How'd you like to become the new face of Tomica?
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
Heard about it before. It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government! I'll keep an eye on him.
Well, thanks, Doc. I've been feeling a quart low.
pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él!
Basing this on a what if? Okay, that's it. Wait, somebody save me!
You know that? This grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
It's just an empty cup.
I'll go out of business and we'll have to leave town.
And what's going to happen to all of us if Flo leaves town?
It's Jackson's Storm for the win! A huge... Responding. Where's Mater? Right? Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
On my way.
Great idea, Doc. Now the road will never get done.
Luigi? Move! Cruise! I knew you had something. And now look at you.
I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PP.
Revelation from Lightning McQueen. He will use all in all in the final race. That's the right one to turn today.
Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
There's smoke on the casino bridge!